Hello to all my YouTube friends. I have some super easy red, white, and blue DIYs. These are budget friendly with some Dollar Tree finds. You may even have some of these things sitting around your house. So let's get going with a few ideas on how to decorate for 4th of July. First, I wanted to share a couple of different ways to do 4th of July garland. For this first one, we are going to use these red and blue plastic cups from Dollar Tree. I started by cutting these at an angle. Then I trimmed off the edge that had the lip of the cup. This video is part of Heidi Sonbull's Red, White, and Blue DIY Challenge, and there will be a playlist with a bunch of other red, white, and blue themed decor, so I will link that in the description box below my video. Heidi does awesome DIYs, so I will link her channel down there too. I added a hole punch and put these on twine and then decorated with some of this patriotic ribbon that I had. This was so easy and super cute. For the second garland, I used some denim scraps and some felt that I found at Dollar Tree. I cut the material into little flags. Then I decorated with these oil-based markers. Hey, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your love and support here on Artsy Cupcake. My name is Maria, and I get to be creative every day because I'm a graphic designer. So my passion on YouTube is sharing ways for you to get creative in your home. If you like budget DIYs and other types of creative inspiration, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and that little notification bell so you'll know when my next video goes up. Let those dry really well so you don't stain anything. Oil-based paint is really hard to get off surfaces and off your fingers. I used this all-natural nail polish remover to get it off. Way better than using something that's really strong on your skin. I went with the lighter colored twine and I marked where I wanted the flags to be so that they would be spaced out evenly. I just folded them over and sealed with a strip of hot glue. I found these at Dollar Tree and I used the ribbons to finish off this second garland. These garlands look great on the fireplace, or they could decorate a table or the backsplash in your kitchen, wherever you want to celebrate with a little American cheer. If you're decorating for a little 4th of July party, I thought it might be fun to have some coasters. I got these pom-poms on Amazon, but I did see smaller bags of these pom-poms at Dollar Tree. I started by separating the red, white, and blue ones out. Dollar Tree had cork, which you could cut into squares or circles, but I had some old coasters that I decided to use for this project. I added the hot glue a little bit at a time, and that gave me time to attach the pom-poms before the glue dried. I think these came out really cute and they're so fun for summer. Okay, the next two 4th of July ideas have to do with food, but you won't want to eat this one. You're going to need a box or a bag of rice and some food coloring, and then some jars. I divided the rice evenly into 3 sections, then I placed the rice in a Ziploc bag and added the food color. I shook it around until it distributed evenly onto the rice. I placed this in layers into a glass vase, and then I added a candle on top. Another option would be to put a smaller vase inside of the bigger vase and then put the rice in between the space of the small and the large vase. You could fill the middle vase with some water and add flowers, and then only the blooms at the top would show up and you'd see the rice at the bottom. I think that would look really great as a centerpiece for a 4th of July party. If you're new to my channel, you may not know, although maybe you can tell by my channel name, but my favorite food is cupcakes. So I like to throw some cupcakes into my videos every once in a while. And I also want to spread the cupcake love so much that I plan on doing a cupcake giveaway when I hit 5,000 subscribers. So make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so I can get there quicker and give away some cupcakes. I found a few items at Dollar Tree to make these firecracker cupcakes and some cute decorating items. I colored a third of the batter blue and then another third red, and I left the last third plain. I layered the 3 colors of batter in the cupcake liners. It doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of throw the batter in there and they'll come out with little swirls of colors. Then I used the Twizzlers as little firecrackers in the middle of the icing, and I added a few sprinkles. I placed some of the cupcakes inside those little hats that I found at Dollar Tree, and here we have a cute 4th of July setup to show off those yummy cupcakes. If you like home decor ideas, then you may like this video right over here, and then there's a little subscribe button right over here so that you can know when my next video goes up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.